When testing, diagnosing, or playing with electronics, having the correct oscilloscope is critical. Whether you're an engineer, a student, a hobbyist, or even a musician interested in sound design, the correct scope may transform complex signals into clear insights. Today, we'll look at some of the greatest digital oscilloscopes available, ranging from small and portable devices to hefty bench equipment. Each of these tools has its own set of capabilities, such as fast sample rates, huge displays, or multi-purpose designs that includes extras like waveform generators or multimeters. We'll go over the advantages and disadvantages so you can choose the best option for your needs. From small DIY kits to professional-grade machines, there's something for everyone. Are you ready to improve your toolkit? Let's take a look at the main competitors and determine which oscilloscope best suits your needs. But before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Number 7. Fnirsi 1013D Plus Oscilloscope. If you're searching for a portable oscilloscope with a lot of useful features, the Fnirsi 1013D Plus is worth considering. It's designed as a handheld tablet with a 7-inch TFT LCD touchscreen that allows you to navigate and operate with simple motions. The display itself is bright, crisp, and large enough to easily view waveforms, which is a significant advantage over smaller screens. With a 1G SAS sample rating and a 100 MHz bandwidth across 2 channels, it can handle both analog and digital signals well, providing versatility for a variety of applications. One of its most notable features is the built-in waveform picture manager. With 1 GB of storage, you may save up to 1,000 pictures and waveform files and then review them with capabilities like zooming, panning, and browsing thumbnails. This makes it easier to arrange and review data without effort. The oscilloscope also includes handy functions such as Lissajous graphic display for comparing signal phases and FFT viewing for a preliminary look at harmonic content. Tools that add depth to signal analysis. On the practical side, the portable design is useful. It's slim, lightweight, and powered by a 6,000 mAh battery that lasts about 4 hours, allowing you to use it without being plugged in. Furthermore, the built-in high-voltage protection module provides peace of mind when handling signals up to 400 volts. Obviously, no device is flawless. While the touch controls and mobility are excellent, the 4-hour battery life may feel inadequate for extended sessions. Still, the Fnirsi 1013D Plus strikes a good mix between power and simplicity, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a dependable handheld oscilloscope. Number 6. Rigol DS1104Z Plus Digital Oscilloscope. The Rigol DS1104Z Plus is the type of oscilloscope designed for serious users who require both performance and flexibility. It has 4 analog channels and supports up to 16 digital channels, allowing you to manage complex projects without having to continually shift connections. With a 100 MHz bandwidth and a real-time sampling rate of up to 1 GSAS, it's fast enough to accurately capture detailed signals on either analog or digital systems. One of the advantages is its excellent memory depth of up to 24 megapixels, which allows you to capture long signal sequences without losing sharpness. With a waveform capture rate of up to 30,000 WFMS/S and hardware recording up to 60,000 frames, there's plenty of area for detailed data analysis. This makes debugging easier because you can play back waveforms to identify tiny faults that might otherwise go unnoticed. The 7-inch WVGA color display is another plus. It is clear and bright and allows for intensity grading, which aids in the natural visualization of signal variance. Built-in capabilities such as bus decoding and smart triggering make it adaptable to a variety of applications, while the low-noise floor offers clearer readings even when working with sensitive signals. On the other hand, with all of its advanced features, it's clearly more of a bench tool than a portable one, so don't expect simple mobility. However, if you want a dependable, feature-rich oscilloscope with a professional edge, the Rigol DS1104Z Plus strikes an ideal blend of power, precision, and usability. Number 5. Gochafix Waveform Oscilloscope. The Gochafix handheld oscilloscope is a unique small instrument since it is 3 tools in one. You get a 12 MHz bandwidth oscilloscope, a full digital multimeter, and even a signal generator in a small portable package. This makes it ideal for folks who want variety without having to tote different instruments. Switching between modes is simple because it just requires one key. Holding down the auto button for a few seconds allows you to quickly switch between functions, eliminating the need to navigate complex menus. It has a 50 MSA/S sampling rate for signal capture, which is sufficient for accurate analysis within its bandwidth. The built-in waveform generator increases versatility by generating sine, triangle, and square waves, which are excellent for circuit testing, debugging, and perimeter verification. In terms of functionality, the power setup is rather simple. It is powered by a replaceable 18,650 lithium battery, charges via USB-C, and has an auto sleep mode that activates after 15 minutes of inactivity. That means it's efficient and can run for up to 8 hours straight, making it an excellent choice for field work or on-the-go testing. Of course, there are trade-offs. While it is convenient and multi-purpose, the 12 MHz bandwidth is not designed for very high-frequency applications and may not meet advanced lab-level requirements. However, the mobility, long battery life, and versatility more than compensate for it. The Gochafix 3-in-1 tool offers a good compromise between practicality and versatility, particularly for regular electronics repair and car diagnostics. Number 4. Hantek DSO5102P Digital Storage Oscilloscope. The Hantek DSO5102P is a digital storage oscilloscope that combines capability and ease of use, making it a dependable tool for both new and experienced users. With 2 channels, a 100 MHz bandwidth, and 1 GSA/S sampling rate, it can accurately perform the majority of signal testing jobs. It can collect up to 40K points per channel, providing sufficient information for effective waveform analysis. One of its strong aspects is storage and connection. It can save over 1,000 waveforms and is simply connected via USB for simple file transfers or system upgrades. This also enables communication with a computer for remote control, increasing its versatility. The incorporation of FFT analysis and 32 automatic measurement functions is a significant advantage as it simplifies complex signal assessment and makes results easier to interpret without requiring manual computations. Another notable feature is the huge 7-inch color TFT LCD. It clearly and vividly displays signals, weather sign, square, sawtooth, or triangle thanks to its high resolution and color intensity. The multifunction buttons are logically arranged, and the folding handle makes it remarkably portable for a benchtop instrument. Of course, while it is portable in its category, it is not as light or mobile as a handheld oscilloscope. It is better suited for desktops in labs, workshops, or classrooms than for field use. Still, for those in need of a dependable, accurate, and feature-rich oscilloscope, the Hantek DSO5102P hits a fair mix between performance and usability, making it a solid choice for diagnostics, education, and general electronics work. Number 3. Zunate Digital Handheld Oscilloscope. The Zunate Digital Handheld Automobile Oscilloscope is a small piece of equipment designed for vehicle diagnostics and electrical testing, yet it provides a lot of capabilities. Its 2.4-inch color LCD screen clearly displays waveforms, and its 120 MHz bandwidth on a single channel, 40 MHz when utilizing 2 combined, with a 500 MSA/S sampling rate, offers dependable accuracy for the majority of automotive applications. The accompanying 10x probe can handle signals up to 400 volts, making it suitable for higher voltage testing. This scope's professional level triggering functions, auto, normal, and single modes, provide versatility when working with recurring analog signals or irregular digital ones. It also offers waveform storage, allowing you to save up to 2,500 waveforms, view them as thumbnails, and remove them as needed. With a USB-C interface for charging and data transfer, as well as firmware update capabilities, this equipment seems current and versatile. Another advantage is its lightweight, portable design, which includes silicone protective covers for shock resistance, eliminating the possibility of drops or slips when working in the field. The one-key auto setup saves time by automatically adjusting parameters, but you may still fine-tune things like time basis or slope as needed. Of course, the smaller screen size may feel limiting compared to larger handheld or benchtop models, especially for extended use. However, for portability, simple operation, and automotive-focused functionality, this handheld oscilloscope strikes a solid balance between convenience and performance. Number 2. Owon SDS-5032E/V Digital Storage Oscilloscope. The Owon SDS-5032E-V Digital Storage Oscilloscope is intended for individuals who require a useful tool for troubleshooting, repairing, or teaching electronics. With 2 channels and a bandwidth of 30 MHz, it is not the most powerful scope available, but it adequately covers the fundamentals for general electrical applications. The real-time sampling rate of 125 ms/s per channel and record length of 10 kpts per channel provides sufficient detail to catch and analyze the majority of ordinary signals. One significant feature is the sophisticated triggering mechanism, which aids in the isolation of specific signals. The trigger hold-off function is especially useful when dealing with complex waveforms since it keeps things stable and easy to understand. For analysis, it has 4 math functions, FFT, and 20 automated measurements, allowing you to delve deeper into your waveforms without the need for additional tools or human calculations. Another plus is the huge 8-inch color TFT LCD display, which allows for clear and easy reading of waveforms. If you want to work on a larger feature screen, the built-in VGA connector allows you to connect it to an external monitor, providing more versatility for lab setups or classroom demonstrations. While it is useful and feature-rich, the 30 MHz bandwidth may feel limited for high-frequency work, making it better suited to simpler applications rather than complex projects. The storage depth is also limited when compared to more advanced scopes. Still, for students, amateurs, or anyone in need of a simple oscilloscope with solid functionality and external display capability, the Owon SDS-5032E-V strikes a fair mix between usability and vital capabilities. Number 1. Korg new Tekt NTS-2 Build Your Own Oscilloscope. The Korg new Tekt NTS-2 is not your usual oscilloscope. Rather, it is a DIY kit that allows you to build your own device without the need for soldering skills. It is designed to be compact and portable, fitting comfortably into the palm of your hand and serving as a useful tool for musicians, enthusiasts, and anybody interested in sound and communications. Despite its modest size, it has plenty of essential functions. The 4-channel oscilloscope allows you to concurrently monitor control voltage and audio signals, which is extremely useful in music production and electronic experimentation. It also contains a versatile waveform generator, which allows you to build bespoke waveforms for testing or artistic purposes. Furthermore, it includes a spectrum analyzer and a built-in tuner, providing additional capabilities for signal analysis and fine-tuning. The interface is simple and intuitive, allowing even beginners to immediately understand what's going on the screen. Another great element is connectivity with dual stereo inputs and outputs, as well as separate outputs, which can be smoothly integrated into studio setups or live performances. It serves as both a tool and a learning partner, making signal visualization more dynamic and educational. There are several trade-offs. Because it is a DIY kit, you must assemble it yourself, which may not appeal to individuals who prefer something ready to use right out of the box. And while it's ideal for music and artistic applications, it's not designed for high-level engineering or specialized electronics testing. Still, the Korg new Tekt NTS-2 hits an excellent blend of functionality, mobility, and originality, making it an appealing option for artists and producers. And there you have it, our roundup of the top digital oscilloscopes available today. From small handheld versions to feature-rich bench units, each one adds something new to the table. Whether you're troubleshooting circuits, going into vehicle diagnostics, or exploring the creative side of sound, the goal is to pick an oscilloscope that fits your process and makes testing faster, clearer, and easier. Which one got your attention the most? Please share your ideas in the comments section. We would love to hear them. And if you love this list, make sure to subscribe to Legit Pick for more reviews and top tech picks.